India sees about 4.4 lakh road traffic accidents every year, with over a quarter of them ending in death, as per the report on road accidents in India. Recent death of Mr. Cyrus Mistry, former chairman of Tata Sons, in a road accident, September 4, 2022, near Palghar in Maharashtra has triggered a debate on a new road safety topic. Wearing of seat belts mandatory for a passenger sitting in the rear seat. After this tragic accident, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has passed an amendment in the Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989 with a strict provision to wear the seat belts for a passenger sitting in the rear seat. Also, the government is trying to make it mandatory for car makers to provide at least 6 airbags in 8-seater vehicles for enhanced safety of car occupants. For safe travel on roads and to reach safely at home with your family members, you should follow the following safety rules. Wear your seatbelt and check other car passengers has also worn the seatbelt. Maintain and take care of your car at regular intervals. Follow the speed limit and drive safe. Your vision should be very clear while driving. Take care of the blind spots. Ensure your headlights are properly aligned for maximum visibility. While driving, do not indulge in activities like using mobile phone, etc. Always use indicators at turns. Follow traffic rules. The new amendment for the airbags and seat belts should be welcomed to increase the safety of the car driver and other passengers in the case of a crash.